The India-UAE relationship, as the previous distinguished speakers have already mentioned, is anchored in trust, shared values, and mutual ambition. Over the years, it has matured into a comprehensive strategic partnership spanning trade, technology, energy, and culture. In financial year 23-24 alone, our bilateral trade stood almost at $83 billion, making UAE India's third largest partner and second largest export destination. The Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement that was signed in 2022 has further reduced trade barriers, opened new sectors, and energized our commercial linkages. The Ministry of External Affairs plays a very pivotal role in this journey. With over 200 missions and posts abroad, including our very highly active missions in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, which constantly engage in trade promotion, investment facilitation, and business-to-business linkages across the sectors. Our cooperation continues to grow in high-impact areas like fintech, food security, clean energy, digital technology, and advanced manufacturing. India is seen as an increasingly reliable partner in strategic domains such as semiconductors, AI, and green mobility, supported by strong institutions and transparent governance. Let us now look at Andhra Pradesh, a state that is fast gaining attention as a rising destination for global investment. As our Honorable CM has mentioned, with over 1,000 kilometers of coastline and deep water ports like Krishnapatnam and Visakhapatnam, the state offers direct access to Southeast Asian markets and a natural edge in maritime trade and logistics. It is also focusing on industrial corridors, green infrastructure, and ease of doing business, making it a preferred destination for both legacy and future industries. In a significant indicator of this momentum, the UAE ambassador during his recent visit to Vijayawada has highlighted that Andhra Pradesh is actually UAE's 11th largest trading partner in the states among Indian states and union territories, and the bilateral trade, though a nominal amount, is still $1.46 billion in financial year 23-24. That alone is a powerful signal of the state's economic potential. Several prominent UAE business private groups such as Lulu Group have already shown growing interest in Andhra Pradesh. These proposals, aimed at creating jobs, building supply chains, and enhancing food export infrastructure, are strong examples of the growing opportunities between India and UAE. Moreover, UAE companies are also exploring opportunities in green hydrogen, renewables, and port-led development areas where Andhra Pradesh is already building capacity and aligning with global sustainable goals, including those emphasized under COP28 and the UAE's Net Zero Roadmap. Our connectivity, which is lifeblood of trade, Visakhapatnam is already connected directly to Abu Dhabi by air, strengthening commercial and people-to-people linkages. We hope to see even more robust connectivity in the near future. Zooming out, this aligns seamlessly with India's broader economic trajectory. Despite global headwinds, we remain one of the fastest growing economies, advancing towards a dream of achieving $5 trillion economy driven by structural reforms, innovation, and digital transformation. Initiatives like Make in India, Digital India, and the Productivity-Linked Incentive Scheme are reshaping our economic landscape. India's global leadership in digital public infrastructure, especially the UPI, is gaining traction worldwide. And in that spirit, India and UAE are already exploring interoperability between India's UPI and UAE's AANI platform, a step that will enable secure, real-time cross-border payments for business and individuals. This is why exactly platforms like Investopia matter. They connect more than just capital, they connect ideas, ambitions, and cultures. The Ministry of External Affairs remains committed to supporting these engagements. Our States Division works closely with Indian states to amplify their global presence and investor outreach. Our missions abroad stand ready to facilitate and guide every step of the investment journey. Before I conclude, I must also recognize the extraordinary contribution of the Indian diaspora. in UAE, which is a vibrant and respected community of 3.5 million people. They are the living bridge between our two nations, fostering enterprise, trust, and connection every day. India is ready, confident, and open to deeper partnerships. Let this session unlock new synergies between governments, investors, and innovators for a future that is sustainable, inclusive, and full of promise. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, Srimati J. Snehaja, IFS, Head of MEA, Branch Secretariat, Hyderabad. Thank you for those insights. And our next speaker, Dr.